Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand how to reconcile your book and bank transactions. Tally Prime Release 6.0 introduces enhanced bank reconciliation, which helps you to reconcile transactions more efficiently. If you are doing reconciliation for the first time, you need to prepare before you reconcile your transactions. To know more, view the video, How to Set Up Bank Reconciliation in Tally Prime. The link is in the description box. To use the enhanced feature, ensure you have configured your bank ledger for auto-reconciliation. Import the bank statement for the period you want to reconcile. Importing the bank statement adds the bank data to Tally Prime, enabling reconciliation with book transactions by linking with bank data. Configure auto-reconciliation in your bank ledger. From Gateway of Tally, Alter Master, Ledger, Bank Ledger. Enable Set Alter Bank Configuration to Yes. In the Bank Configuration screen, enable Set Alter Auto Reconciliation Configuration. In the Auto Reconciliation Configuration screen, by default, Identify Exact Matches for Reconciliation is set to while importing statement. Retain it. By default, Automatically Reconcile Exact Matches Found is set to No, which allows you to see the exact matches in the bank reconciliation report. If you want exact matches to be automatically reconciled once you import the statement, you can set Automatically Reconcile Exact Matches Found to Yes. Now, press Ctrl A to save the ledger. Now that we have configured the bank ledger, let's import a bank statement. Using connected banking services, you can fetch a bank statement directly from Tally Prime. To know more, view the video on Get Bank Statement into Tally Prime. The link is in the description box. If connected banking is not available for your bank, then you can also import the statement. Press Alt-O and select Bank Statement. In the Import Bank Statement screen, select the bank ledger. Specify the file path and select file type as supported. Select the file to import. Set Show Preview as Yes. Press Ctrl A to accept the screen. In the Bank Statement Preview screen, press I to import the bank statement. You can see the total number of entries imported and exact matches in the summary of imported statement. Press S to directly go to Bank Reconciliation Summary and reconcile the book and bank transactions. Now, let's see how to reconcile the book and bank transactions. In the Bank Reconciliation Summary screen, drill down from Unreconciled Transactions from 1st October 2024 till date. You can see the unreconciled transactions under different sections such as Exact Match, Available Only in Books, and Available Only in Bank. Let's see how you can reconcile the transactions with exact match. Transactions with matching amounts and instrument numbers in both the books and the bank will be listed under Exact Match. Select all the exact match and press F8 to reconcile the transactions. You can reconcile your transactions with potential match suggestions. In the Bank Reconciliation Report, press Alt-S to view the potential match suggestions under different heads. By default, the Potential Matches screen displays rule-wise books, where under different rules you can see the transactions available in the books. Similarly, you can change the view to see the potential match suggestion as books-wise, rules, rule-wise, bank, or bank-wise, rules. Select the transactions and press F8 to reconcile. If the number of transactions to be reconciled is more in the Bank Reconciliation Report, you can reconcile by finding a match. In the Bank Reconciliation Report, select a transaction from book or bank, press F8 to find a match. In the Bank Reconciliation Find Matches screen, you can see the selected transaction along with the potential match and other unreconciled transactions. Select the transactions displayed under Unreconciled Transactions and press F9 to include the transaction for reconciliation. If there is any wrong unwanted transaction added, press F10 to remove it. Add the transaction that can be reconciled with the selected voucher. Press A to reconcile the transactions. When the number of transactions in the bank reconciliation report is less, you can select and reconcile them. In the bank reconciliation report, you can select one or multiple transactions from your books against one or multiple transactions from the bank. And then press F8 to reconcile. To filter and select the transactions, press Ctrl F. In the basic filter screen, provide the amount, instrument number, or any other value based on which you want the transactions to be filtered. Press Enter. You can now see the book and bank transactions filtered based on the value provided in the basic filter. Select the transactions and press F8 to reconcile. You can also easily reconcile your partially reconciled transactions. For a book transaction, the corresponding bank transaction may have a difference in amount due to certain reasons. If you select such transactions and press F8 to reconcile, the transactions appear under Partially Reconciled header. To reconcile the partially reconciled transactions, select the transaction and again press F8. In the Bank Reconciliation Modify Matches screen, select the transactions from Available Only in Books or Available Only in Bank. Press F9 to include the transaction for reconciliation. If they match, press A to reconcile the transactions. You can reconcile your transactions manually. In the Bank Reconciliation screen, press Alt-U to manually reconcile the transactions. Enter the bank date for the transactions you want to reconcile and press Ctrl-A to reconcile the transaction. After you have done the reconciliation, to view all the reconciled transactions, press Ctrl-H and select View Reconciled. To know more, view the video How to View and Unlink Incorrectly Reconciled Transactions in TallyPrime TallyHelp. You can also view the reconciled transactions from Bank Reconciliation Summary. As you saw, in TallyPrime you can easily reconcile your book and bank transactions. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp us for assistance. Subscribe to Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.